Welcome to Savantz. Let's dive into creating a new video that captures your vision. Click on the New Video purple button to begin. Next, enter the details for your project. Start by naming your project and your video. Choose a video style that fits your message and add background music if you like. Now, choose how you want to create your video. You can type or cut and paste into the text box provided. You can also create a narration by inputting a prompt and the narration will be created for you. Or you can import a text file. For this tutorial, we'll select Create Narration, which simplifies the storytelling process by transforming a single prompt into a complete dynamic narrative with dialogue and scenes. The narration will form the backbone of your video, guiding your audience through the story or information. After inputting your narration, select a narration voice for your video. Then click on Create Video. The platform will begin generating your video images. You'll see a pop-up message indicating the images of your video are being generated. This might take a few moments as each scene image is produced. You will also get an email after the completion. Once the initial images are created, a message will appear that your video is ready. You will also receive an email with a link. You can click on the message, and the website will redirect you to the video for editing and the next steps. Click the Generate Scenes button to convert the static images into dynamic video scenes. Please be patient since this process may take some time, as all the images are converted individually. You will see a message stating Generating Scenes in Progress to let you know the process has started. After the scenes have been generated, you will see a message. Next, click Generate Video to stitch all the scenes together for your final video. Once completed, you will be automatically navigated back to the final version of your video. And there it is.
In a bustling, futuristic city where AI-powered gadgets are the norm,
your compelling video is ready to impress. Export it and use it wherever you like. It's edutainment at its best. Congratulations on creating a professional-grade video with Savantz. Continue to explore and utilize Savantz to bring all your creative projects to life.